Hey everyone, thank you for joining. This is Manish Sharma, ServiceNow Tech Lead at Royal Cyber. And in this webinar, I'll be talking about the Now Assist experience, maximizing ITSM efficiency with ServiceNow Now Assist. Along with me, I have my colleague with me, Akshay Bhat, a senior executive inside sales in Royal Cyber. And a bit on the agenda today. So I'll be covering an overview of Royal Cyber, who we are, what we do, and Now Assist features and benefits related to different features, related to different users, how the users can benefit from those features. And the Now Assist is specifically for ITSM, how users can leverage the Now Assist benefits for ITSM. And then I'll be doing a quick demo, and then I'll talk about an exclusive event and followed by a Q&A session. A bit about the Royal Cyber, who we are. So we are a Chicago-based company with 20 plus years of experience within the IT landscape. Uh, we have 2,500 plus employees globally with 500 plus certified consultants, and we are located in different locations such as Canada, UK, India, Australia, New Zealand. Then we have 600 plus clients across the globe. And we are technology partnered with IBM, SAP, ServiceNow, Dell, Salesforce, and many more. A bit about the digital transformation practice in Royal. Digital transformation practice, we have 5 different pillars. We have cloud, and we have middleware and integration. Then third, we have enterprise modernization. Then fourth, we have DevOps and automation. And then we have data and analytics. ServiceNow comes in DevOps and automation. Moving on to, this is the clientele snapshot of different industries. We have customer, these are some of the biggest customers which we have. So in healthcare, we have Humana and Smith and Drugs. Banking and finance, we have Capital One, Citadel, AON, same as we have in retail, manufacturing, emerging, and the education industry as well. This is the snapshot on the clientele in ANZ market. We have Fletcher and Building, TradeLink, then we have Diamond Roofing, AON, and many more. These are the business partners. So in the first slides, I was talking about the technology partners, and these are the business partners related to different technologies. So we are partnered with industry related to cloud, middleware, automation, enterprise modernization, DevOps, data, and others. In automation, we are partnered with ServiceNow, Automation Anywhere, Pega, UiPath, and with cloud, we are with a major industry players such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and then we have for the DevOps and the other platforms as well. This is a brief on the ServiceNow expertise within Royal Cyber. So we are a ServiceNow premier partner with 12 plus years in ServiceNow business, 100 plus enterprise project delivered worldwide. And then we have 150 plus certified consultants available within Royal Cyber. Now, here we are also talking about the different expertise into different modules. So we have expertise within ITSM, ITOM, ITAM, ITBM, SPM, CSM, FSM, HRSD, IRM. So anything related to customization within your platform or the modules, or if you want to do a greenfield or brownfield implementation, we can definitely help you with those things as well, and can help you get the maximum benefits out of those different solutions. So this is the ServiceNow partnership snapshot which we have. So partnership level, we are premier partner on the reseller, consulting and implementation, and the build. Then the CSAT score is 4 out of 5, and these are our different certification which we have in our portfolio, and we also have the CTA Certified Technical Architect in our bucket. Now we have received the Gartner recognition as well. We have been recognized by Gartner as one of the most promising ServiceNow consulting, implementation, and managed services partner. Uh, Now let's move on to the Royal Cyber value adds. So this one talks about the solutions and the escalators that we have. So apart from the services related to different technologies, such as ServiceNow, Salesforce, AWS, we also have some of our in-house solutions. So in different categories, we have AI, ServiceNow, middleware, and others, such as within ServiceNow, we have AI Assist, AI Knowledge, and Copilot ServiceNow Navigator, Integration Wizard, ServiceNow ADO. Same we have for AI middleware and others like Codex Pro, SCM modernization. Now, latest update and announcement, CMDB webinar series. So we'll be doing a series of webinars for CMDB, starting from foundation level to the complete mastered and managed CMDB. So we'll be sharing the details of the date and time. So in case if you have you can jump on any of the webinars and can benefit the most out of it. And if it's your business related to that. Now, ServiceNow Now Assist overview. So from the starting, we've been talking about what is ServiceNow Now Assist, how ServiceNow uh, Now Assist works, so what are the different features and all of those things. So what I'll be doing, we'll be discussing about the ServiceNow AI journey, like how exactly it is started. So what exactly is ServiceNow, Now Assist, and Gen AI capabilities are in ServiceNow. So ServiceNow journey started in 2017 when they acquired DC Continue, and the recent acquisition of Element AI in 2021. So what happens when typically ServiceNow acquire any company, it takes a year for them to rebuild it according to the ServiceNow standards, and then they relaunch it into the market. So now ServiceNow Now Assist leverage its own LLM model to generate content and enhance productivity and efficiency. So currently there are generative capabilities available in the ITSM, like chat summarization, resolution, notes creation, and generative AI search enhancement, and etc. And now, how does the Now Assist works? So what it does, it basically leverages the RAG architecture to generate the content, so as you can see within this diagram. So from the user input goes into the ServiceNow, depends on the module you're using. It can be ITSM, CSM, HRSD, Creator, SPM. And through that, it goes into generative AI controller and it goes to Now. It uses the LLM methodology, and from there, it gives the generative output to the user. And Now Assist framework and supported products. So in here, we are talking about the related to different workflows available within ServiceNow. So we have IT workflow, employee workflow, customer and industry workflow, creator workflow, and Now platform. And within those platforms, Now Assist is available for these many modules, such as for IT, it's ITSM, ITOM, for industry, CSM, FSM, employee, HRSD, and then for creator and now platform, we have SPM and creator. Now, all of these modules leverage Now Assist uh, capabilities to assist the users and help them tackle the task related to different activities What you need to do is to enable the Now Assist. You need to go into the Now Assist admin console and activate plugin related to different modules, and then you have to configure the skills related to chat summarization, code generation, or depending on the module. And then you can analyze the Gen AI performance. Now let's talk about the different uh, AI features related to Now Assist within ServiceNow for different modules. Uh, in the previous slide, we were talking about the availability of the Now Assist for different modules. Now, what are all the features for those modules? We have ITSM. So for ITSM, we've been talking about chat summarization, incident summarization, resolution notes generation, knowledge generation, and same for HRSD. Then we have for FSM, work order task summarization, and for creator, we have code generation. So in case you need help with the code, it can help you generate the code as well. Flow generation, flow recommendations, app generation, and playbook generation, so that you have a guided setup to help you with the activities and the workflows of within the FSM, CSM, and then we have catalog item generation as well. Now, this is what we were talking about on the level of all of the modules available for Now Assist. Now let's take a little deep into the Now Assist for ITSM. Now within the ITSMs here, we are talking about the users and the benefits for different users. Within the users, we have categorized as everyone, like it can be employee, customer side of it, or anyone. Then we have admin or developers. Now features within the ITSM it has is related to Now Assist in AI search, Now Assist panel, Now Assist admin console for admin, and analyze Now Assist performance for admin. Then for the developer, we have generative AI controller. Based on these features, these are the different benefits which users can leverage and uh, can reduce their efforts and time spent on incident or any activity. Now let's talk about some of the key features of Now Assist. Now, first of all, easy to use. When you're working on an incident, you want something which is easy to use. So Now Assist is exactly that. So on the right top side, there's a Now Assist icon. You click on it, it generates it open up the Now Assist box where you are guided to interaction. You can click on chat summarization. You can click on generate resolution notes. You can summarize a record. Uh, and once you click on chat summarization, it summarizes the chat within that incident. So when an agent is working on an incident, there's a lot of time is spent on the conversation uh, if he was talking to a customer over the chat. So instead of going through all the conversation with the help of the Now Assist, agents can summarize that chat, and it can help them reduce the manual efforts of doing the other activities. And based on the chat summarization, you agents can uh, get the information related to the incident, like what the customer is having issues related to, and uh, what should be the resolution related to that. And Now Assist can help with that as well. Uh, in case there's a gibberish input within the Now Assist panel, it can uh, help the user to tackle that as well. So this is how Now Assist handle unhappy path. So it will give them a hint or a clue, like whether you want to create an app, generate article, generate resolution notes, what you want to do, because that gibberish doesn't make sense, right? Now, in case the agent is not happy with the conversation, or he wants to do something else, like he did the chat summarization, now he wants to generate resolution notes. So what he can do is he can simply click on reset conversation. what this will do is this will help them start a fresh chat with the Now Assist. All right, now we have talked about the Now Assist, what it does for each and every modules. Let's talk a bit about Now Assist for ITSM, what it does for ITSM. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly jump on to the demo. All right, we have some chats available here, so I'll just uh, reset that. All right, I'll click on the Now Assist icon, and what it gives me an option to summarize the chat, generate resolution notes, summarize a record. So I'm an agent, and I don't want to go through the long list of conversation between the agent and the uh, customer or the employee. So I'll just click on chat summarization. This will help me reduce that manual work of going through all of that stuff and give me an overview of the incident, what happens, what was the issue about, what they talked about, experience in sending emails. They've tried checking attachment and size. So it's giving me all of the information which happened uh, from with the customer, in between the customer and the agent. With the help of this information, I can take actions to resolve this ticket and or to close this ticket. Now let's say I'm not okay, I've seen these summarization of the chat. Now I want to do something else. So what I'll do, I'll just click on reset conversation, just like I did in the starting, uh, and it will open up a fresh chat. Now in this fresh chat, I can go ahead and choose any of the option which I require. Now, to one thing to keep in mind is how AI Now Assist works. It requires minimum 200 words to generate a good resolution note. So hop down to a different ticket to create the generation resolution notes, and then I'll create a resolution note. Once I click on that, it analyzes the entire ticket and again gives me the, based on the work notes, it's gives me the resolution notes related to the issue. I can go through as an agent to the resolution notes provided by the Now Assist, and based on that, I can take the action in resolving the ticket or closing the ticket, or if I want to take any other action, actions. Once again, I'll click on Reset Conversation, and then we can start a fresh chat. So this is how Now Assist within the ITSM work in summarizing the chat and creating the resolution notes. Now what I'll do, I'll quickly jump on to the deck again. So we have seen how Now Assist works within ITSM in the demo. Now let's talk about the Now Assist readiness. So these are the few things which helps users or anyone be ready for the Now Assist. So for the environment, so it should be version should be Vancouver patch 4 and above. And the licenses for the Now Assist ITSM, it should be ITSM Pro. Just like I mentioned, for the data quantity, minimum should be 200 words per incident to create the, and then to be able to create the knowledge articles related to those resolution notes. Data quality, data should be in high quality to create those knowledge articles so that in future, if there's a similar kind of an incident, users can leverage the knowledge articles and try to resolve that issue. These are the trainings which users can take related to introduction to Gen AI, Now Assist Essentials, Now Assist for ITSM Implementation Bootcamp on Demand, Now Assist for ITSM Implementer, and then we have same for the stakeholder identification and stakeholder engagement. So these are the exclusive event offerings which I was talking about in the starting. So we have three different exclusive event offerings such as ServiceNow assessment, ServiceNow Now Assist Readiness, ServiceNow Now Assist Jumpstart. So each of these offerings have different timelines and different features, such as Now Assist Jumpstart talks about stakeholder introduction, use case implementation, documentation, knowledge transfer, and the duration is 1 week. And for Now Assist Readiness, duration is 1 to 2 weeks, and ServiceNow Assessment is duration is 1 to 2 week. Right. So that's come to an end on our webinar related to Now Assist for ITSM. We are open to Q&A now. So if you have any questions related to what we just walked through and what we have demoed, so feel free to ask and we'll be happy to answer any of the questions.